Hello everyone, welcome to our channel NJP Coaching. Myself NJ Soikia today stand before you to discuss a few questions of general math of class 9 under seba. The name of the chapter is revision, punaralochona. The chapter name is revision. Today I will discuss mainly some important questions of MCQ of this chapter. I will discuss a few questions regarding MCQ. After the new education policy, the patterns of the questions for 4 subjects, English, General Math, General Science and Social Science, are slightly changed. First I want to show the marking patterns of these 4 subjects. 20 plus 25 plus 45 plus 10. 20 marks for MCQ. Each question will carry 1 mark. There will be 20 questions. 25 marks, very short answers questions. There will be 25 questions which will carry 1 mark each, and 45 marks subjective questions and 10 marks for internal assessment. এনেকৈ সাধাৰণ গণিত, সাধাৰণ বিজ্ঞান, সমাজ বিজ্ঞান আৰু ইংৰাজী বিষয়ত যোৱা বছৰৰ পৰা মাৰ্কিং পেটাৰ্নটো চেঞ্জ হৈছে। 20 নম্বৰ থাকিব বহু বিকল্পী প্ৰশ্ন, অতি সমুদ্ৰৰ প্ৰশ্ন থাকিব 25টা 25 মাৰ্কছ, 45 মাৰ্কছ থাকিব সাবজেক্টিভ কুৱেশ্যন, আৰু ইন্টাৰনেল এছেছমেন্ট আমি প্ৰেক্টিকেল বুলি কওঁ, ইন্টাৰনেল এছেছমেন্ট থাকিব 10 marks. Okay, let's start the questions. These are some important questions. These questions are very important questions. First question is multiplicative inverse of minus 2 by 3. It is also known as reciprocal. অসমীয়াত কোৱা হয় অনুন্যক বা প্ৰতিলোম। minus 2 by 3 এই সংখ্যাটোৰ অনুন্যক বা প্ৰতিলোম কি? Reciprocal. Reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a number is that number which when multiplied with the original number gives the product as 1. That means minus 2 by 3 into its reciprocal or multiplicative inverse gives 1. So what is the multiplicative inverse of this? Minus 3 by 2. Because 2 cancel, 3 cancel, and minus plus. So ultimately it is 1. Do not miss that minus 3 by 2. It will become plus 3 by 2. Reciprocal. No. Like that, if we have to find the additive inverse, then we have to change the sign. What is the additive inverse of minus 3 by 2? Minus 3 by 2 যোগাত্মক বিপরীত সংখ্যা হব plus 3 by 2. যোগাত্মক বিপরীত সংখ্যা. A number which when added to the original number gives the sum as 0. That is called additive inverse. Okay. Next question. 1/3 of a rope is 2.5 meter. The length of the rope is. এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ প্ৰশ্ন নৱম শ্ৰেণীৰ বাবে নহয়, ক্লাস 6-7 টো ঐকিক নিয়মত এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কুৱেশ্যন আছে যিকোনো মেথডত কৰিলেও হ'ব MCQ. 1/3 of a rope is 2.5 meter. এডাল ৰছীৰ 1/3 2.5 meter. The length of the rope is. ৰছীডালৰ মুঠ দৈৰ্ঘ্য কিমান? আমি যদি assume কৰি লওঁ, let length of the rope is x. Length of the rope is x. So according to question, what is given? 1/3 of the rope, 1/3 of x, and this is given 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter. So this implies if we do cross multiplication, x equal 3 into 2.5, that is 7.5 meter. 1/3 of a rope is x, 1/3 of a rope is 2.5 meter. So length of the rope is 7.5 meter. This is the right answer. Next question. It's a very simple question. This question regarding the topic indices. What is the value of 8 to the power 2/3? 8 or power যদি 2/3 হয় তেতিয়া হলে ইয়াৰ ভ্যালু কিমান হ'ব? Very simple. 8 to the power 2/3. If we factorize 8, we will get 2 to the power 3. 2 into 2 into 3 to the power 2/3. And this power and power above power, we have to multiply the powers. Then 3 and 3 will cancel. So result is 2 to the power 2. And answer is 4. So 8 to the power 2/3 is equal to 4. This is the correct answer. Next question. Next, it is also a simple question. 0.04 as percentage is দশমিক 0.4. এই সংখ্যাটো শতকৰা হিচাপত কিমান হ'ব? পার্সেন্টেজ কিমান পার্সেন্ট হ'ব? 0.04. A number, if it is given to convert to percentage, then always we have to remember we have to multiply by 100%. So 0.04 is equal to 0.04 into 100%. 0.04 into 100%, which we write it in percentage. So 0.04 means 4/100 into 100%. 0.04, that is 4/100 into 100%. So this will cancel, then it will become 4%. The number may be in decimals or as a fraction. Suppose what is 3/4 in percentage? So always we have to multiply 3/4 into 100%. Then 4 and 100, 25. So it is 75%. Remember this. Whether it may be a fraction or a decimal number, it can be converted to a fraction. Then directly multiplying by 100%, we will get the percentage. এটা সংখ্যা ভগ্নাংশত থাকক বা দশমিক ৰূপত থাকক, আমি ডাইৰেক্টলি 100% পূৰণ কৰি তাক পার্সেন্টেজত প্ৰকাশ কৰিব পাৰোঁ. This is the answer. So option D, 4%. Next question. The value of √5 plus √3 minus √5 minus √3. This is also a simple question. Operations on real numbers. These root 5, root 3 are irrational, and this is a part of real numbers. Root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3. So root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3. Any irrational number we can multiply as usual, but for this multiplication we can use one algebraic formula, that is a plus b into a minus b. This is the pattern of a plus b into a minus b. Root 5 plus root 3 we can assume as a plus b. So root 5 minus root 3 we can assume as a minus b. So what is the formula? A square minus b square, that is root 5 square minus root 3 square, and this will give root 5 square equal 5 and root 3 square equal 2. So result is, root 3 square equal 3 and result is 2. Right option is B. Next question. Next question is a question from profit and loss. Profit and loss. An article is bought for rupees 400 and sold for rupees 500. Then percentage of profit. Eta bostu 400 টকাত কিনা হয় আৰু 500 টকাত বিক্ৰী কৰা হয়, তেতিয়া প্ৰফিট পার্সেন্টেজ কিমান হ'ব? আমি প্ৰথমতে প্ৰফিট কিমান হ'ল জানিব লাগিব, আৰু প্ৰফিট পার্সেন্ট বা লস পার্সেন্ট সদায় ক্যালকুলেট কৰা যায় কস্ট প্ৰাইসৰ ওপৰত, কিনা দামৰ ওপৰত। সদায় এটো মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব, কিনা দামৰ ওপৰত প্ৰফিট পার্সেন্ট বা লস পার্সেন্ট, লাভৰ হার আৰু লোকসানৰ হার সদায় কিনা দামৰ ওপৰত নিৰ্ভৰ কৰে। Okay, now what is cost price? Cost price is 400, selling price is 500. So what is the difference between SP and CP? So profit is first profit is 500 minus 400. 500 minus 400. Profit is rupees 100. I'm not writing the units. Profit 100. Now what is the profit percentage? So profit percentage of profit equal, this is profit by cost price into 100%. Always it is calculated on CP, cost price. So 100 rupees profit, cost price was 400 into 100%. So these two zeros cancel. So 100 by 4 and this equal 25%. 25%. So B is the right answer. If an article is bought for rupees 400 and sold for rupees 500, then percentage of profit is 25%. এটা বস্তু 400 টকাত কিনি 500 টকাত বিক্ৰী কৰিলে লাভৰ হাৰ হ'ব 25%। Another question. The marks in a test decrease from 40 to 30. 40 to 30. The percentage of decrease. The percentage decrease. আচ্ছা, এইটো প্রশ্ন পার্সেন্টেজৰে হয়। এটা পৰীক্ষাত মার্কসটো নম্বৰটো 40ৰ পৰা 30 লৈ ডিক্ৰিজ হ'ল, কমি গ'ল। শতকৰা হিচাপত কিমান কমিল, 100ত কিমান কমিল, এইটো আমি ক্যালকুলেট কৰিব লাগে। So first we have to know how much decrease first. So from 40 to 30, that means 40 minus 30, decrease amount is 10. So this decreased on 40 marks. So percentage of decrease 10 by 40 into 100%. 10 by 40 into 100%. And if we cancel, then 5. This is also 5. So answer is 25%. Decrease 25%. A is the right answer. The marks in a test decrease from 40 to 30. 40 পৰা 50 30 যদি marks decrease হয় তেতিয়া হলে আমাৰ শতকৰা হিচাপত বা পার্সেন্টেজ হিচাপত decrease হ'ব 25%. Okay. Again, this is a question of CPSP and loss percent, profit loss question. These type of questions usually come in exam. Cost price of an article is rupees 500. It is sold at a loss of 20%. Then the selling price of the article in rupees. First, CP বা কিনা দাম rupees 500. I am not writing the units because for this MCQ we directly find out the answers only. CP rupees 500 and it is sold at a loss of 20%. Loss percent equal 20%. Loss percent equal 20%. Then what is the selling price of the article in rupees? Eta bostu কিনা দাম 500 টাকা আৰু ইয়াক 20% লোকসানত বিক্রি কৰা হয় তেতিয়া হলে বস্তুটোৰ বিক্রি দাম কিমান? Okay, very simple. If I use the unitary method, first thing we have to assume, suppose the article, if an article cost price is 100 and loss is 20%. So what is the selling price? The selling price is 80. When cost price is 100, then its selling price is 80 on a loss of 20%. So we can use in this way, when CP is 100, SP rupees 80. I am not writing the unit. CP 100 rupees 80 at a loss of 20%. If we consider 20% loss, then from 100 rupees we have to sell at rupees 80. Therefore, when CP is 1, rupee 1. So what is SP? Rupees 80 by 100. When CP, now given CP is 500, when CP is 500, then SP 80 by 100, 80 by 100 into 500. 80 by 100 into 500. So on cancellation, it will become 400. On cancellation, rupees 400. This is a very simple method. In unitary method, we can do in this way. We have to compare by taking CP 100. আমি যদি কিনা দাম 100 টাকা লও তে বিক্রি দাম হ'ব 80 টাকা কারণ লস পার্সেন্টেজ দিয়া আছে 20%, লোকসানৰ হার দিয়া আছে 20%. সো 100 টাকা বস্তুটো বিক্রি দাম হ'ব 80 টাকা. যেতিয়া কিনা দাম 1 টাকা হ'ব তেতিয়া বিক্রি দাম হ'ব 80 by 100. আৰু যেতিয়া আমাক দিয়া আছে 500 বস্তুটোৰ কিনা দাম তেতিয়া বিক্রি দাম হ'ব 80 by 100 into 500. আৰু আমি ক্যান্সেল কৰাৰ পিছত come 400. So right option is C. Okay, fine. Next question. One important question. Actually, for MCQ, whatever we have to do roughly, actually it is not compulsory to show. Calculations we have to do fast. আমি যিমান পাৰো হিমান হুনকালে আনসার উলিয়াব লাগে। অনলি অপশনটো লিখিলেই হল। যিমান পাৰো হুনকালে। এই কোৱেশ্চনটো দিয়া আছে x lies between 2 and 2.5. X is a number which lies between 2 and 2.5. X এটা সংখ্যা যিটো সংখ্যা 2 আৰু 2.5 ভিতৰত আছে। এতিয়া x ৰ ভ্যালু এই অপশন কেটাৰ পৰা উলিয়াব লাগে। Do not think that we have to find the square root of all these numbers. There is a trick for this question. Root over 3.95, root over 6.25, root over 9.5, root over 4.41. If we find the square root of these numbers, obviously we will get the answer. But instead of that, we have to do a trick so that we can find it easily. Root over 3.95, this number is less than 4. Just I am showing root over 4 this is equal to 2. And this square root of 3.95, it is less than 4. If it is less than 4, then obviously root over 3.95 is less than 2. But we need a number which is greater than 2. So it cannot be. Next, root over 6.25. Okay, root over 6.25, it is a perfect square number. 625, if we factorize, then we will get 5 to the power 4. That is 5 square into 5 square. So root over 625 equal to 25. Root over 625 equal 25. That's why root over 6.25 is equal to 2.5. But according to the question, the number x should be smaller than 2.5. So we cannot write this. Root over 9.5. Since root over 9 is 3, and 9.5 is greater than 9, no need to find the square root of 9.5, but obviously root over 9.5 is greater than 3, but we need x less than 2.5. So this is now 4.41. Square root of 4 is 2. And it is a number which is greater than 4 and less than 6.25. So obviously this number lies between 2 and 2.5. Also, this is a perfect square number, 4.41. This is a perfect square number. Actually, root over 441 equal 21. By factorization, we can say 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Root over 441 equal 21. So root over 4.41 equal 2.1. That's why root over 4.41, 2.1, which lies between 2 and 2.5. So quickly, without finding square root of all these numbers, we can find the value. Okay? Correct option is D. Now, The perimeter of an equilateral triangle of side 2.5 centimeter is. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle of side 2.5 centimeter is. Nowadays, what is happening? Actually, there are two ways of doing MCQ. MCQ দুই ধৰণে কৰিব পাৰি। এটা হল কনসেপ্ট থাকিব লাগিব, টপিকটোৰ ওপৰত জ্ঞান থাকিব লাগিব, টপিকটো জানিব লাগিব। যদি কনসেপ্ট থাকে obviously যিকোনো কোৱেশ্চন আনসাৰ কৰিব পাৰি, আৰু যদি কনসেপ্ট নাথাকে, যদি বিষয়টোৰ ওপৰত জ্ঞান নাথাকে, তেতিয়া হলে অন্য এটা ওয়ে আছে। There is an alternative way of doing MCQ. So I am going to tell what is the alternative way. Just like this, placing the question paper on the table or desk, we have to drop the pen from the top and it will strike or it will fall any one of the options, given options. Suppose it falls near C. So C will be the right answer. And this procedure may not give the correct answer, or it may give correct answer also sometimes. So this is the alternative way. Do not follow this. আমি ওপৰৰ পৰা যদি পেনটো পেলাই দিওঁ, যিটো অপচনৰ ওচৰতে পেনটো পৰিব সেইটো অপচনেই শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হ'ব। আৰু কেতিয়াবা হৈ যাব পাৰে খুবেই এক্সপেক্টেশন কম, আৰু কেতিয়াবা ভুল হ'ব। অল্টাৰনেটিভ ওয়েটো লব নালাগে। ওকে, perimeter of an equilateral triangle is side 2.5 centimeter. এটা ত্ৰিভুজৰ এটা সমবাহু ত্ৰিভুজ, ইকুইলেটাৰেল ট্ৰায়াঙ্গল, সমবাহু ত্ৰিভুজ, আৰু ইয়াৰ পেৰিমিটাৰ মানে হল পৰিসীমা, বাউন্ডাৰী, sum of three sides, তিনিটা বাহুৰ যোগফল, আৰু এটা সাইড দিয়া আছে, এটা বাহু দিয়া আছে 2.5. ভেৰি সিম্পল কুৱেশ্যন। এটা সমবাহু ত্ৰিভুজ বা ইকুইলেটাৰেল ট্ৰায়াঙ্গল, one side 2.5, so other sides also 2.5 because sides are equal. সকলো বিলাক বাহু সমান। On addition, what is the answer? What is the sum of these three? 7.5. 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. Or perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3a. This is the formula. A is one side of the triangle. এটা সমবাহু ত্ৰিভুজৰ এটা বাহু a হলে তাৰ পৰিসীমা হ'ব 3a। যদি সাইড বা বাহুটো যদি 2.5 সেন্টিমিটাৰ হয়, তেতিয়া হলে তাৰ পৰিসীমা হ'ব 3 into 2.5, 7.5. This is the right answer. Okay. Geometry is very interesting to do. Geometry, once you get the concept, you can do any question. The area of a rectangular sheet of paper of length is 5 centimeter. Area of a rectangular sheet, এটা rectangle, এখন কাগজ, তাৰ শেপটো আয়ত ক্ষেত্ৰ বা rectangle, আৰু length বা দৈৰ্ঘ্য দিয়া আছে 5 সেন্টিমিটাৰ, 5 সেন্টিমিটাৰ, আৰু তাৰ কালি বা এৰিয়া দিয়া আছে 20 সেন্টিমিটাৰ স্কয়াৰ। আমি জানিব লাগিব এটা আয়ত বা আয়ত আকাৰ এটা পেপাৰ লেংথ ব্ৰেথ, কালি হ'ব লেংথ ইনটু ব্ৰেথ। ইয়াত দিয়া আছে লেংথ ইনটু ব্ৰেথ ইকুৱেল 20 সেন্টিমিটাৰ স্কয়াৰ, 20 সেন্টিমিটাৰ স্কয়াৰ, আৰু দিয়া আছে লেংথ দিয়া আছে L দিয়া আছে 5 centimeter. So if this is 20 centimeter square, so 5 into B equal 20. So B equal 20 by 5, that is 4 centimeter. Very simple question. This is a its width or breadth ইয়াৰ প্ৰস্থ হ'ব 4 centimeter. Okay. Come to the next question. The circumference of a circular field is 440 meter. Circumference of a circular field is 440 meter. Its area in meter square. So we have to know the formula for area of a circle. We have to know the formula for circumference of a circle. So circumference অসমীয়াত কয় circumference অসমীয়াত কয় পৰিসীমা এটা বৃত্তৰ পৰিসীমা পেৰিমিটাৰ 440 মিটাৰ এৰিয়া উলিয়াব লাগে কালি উলিয়াব লাগে বৃত্তটোৰ কালি উলিয়াব লাগে আমি এটা বৃত্ত বুলিয়ে ধৰি লৈছো সাৰ্কুলাৰ ফিল্ড একচুয়ালি বৃত্তাকাৰ এখন পথাৰ ওকে suppose radius of the circular field is r radius for circular shape any object the formula we have to find in terms of r. So what is the circumference or perimeter or porihima? 2 pi r. And according to this question, what is 2 pi r? 440 meter. 440 meter. Circumference of a circular field is 440 meter. So 2 pi r equals 440 meter. If we take radius r. So if we put the value of pi 22 by 7. Remember, sometimes value of pi, if it is given in bracket as 3.14, then we have to take that. Otherwise, if not mentioned, always the value of pi is 22 by 7. 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal 440. I am not writing units now. So what is r? R equal 440 divided by these two numbers. Okay, first you can multiply 2 into 22, 44 into r equal 440 into 7, and then r equal 440 into 7 by 44. So on cancellation it will become 10, 440 by 44. So r equal 70. Without calculation, I don't know the answer. Now I am going to finalize. I am going to know what is the answer. 70. Perimeter is in meter, so radius is also in meter. 70 meter. Now what is the formula for area? Area of the field. Since it's circular, so area of the field is pi r square. So 22 by 7 into 70 square, that means 70 into 70. If we cancel any one, 10. So 22 into 700, 15400. And area unit is meter square. So area in meter square is 15400. This is the answer. To make you understand, I have done this, but in exam you can do as fast as you can. আপোনালোকে পৰীক্ষাত যিমান পাৰি সোনকালে 2 pi r equal iman. So what is r? Then find by putting the value of r in pi r square, you will get 15400. So right answer is 15400 meter square. Okay. Next. The area of a rhombus is 60 centimeter square. Area of a rhombus is 60 centimeter square. If one diagonal is 10 centimeter, the other diagonal is So one by one I am coming to some geometrical shapes, triangle, then circle, rectangle, these type of shapes. Now this is a rhombus, so we have to know what is the area of a rhombus. So we can find the area of a rhombus in two ways. Two ways we can find the area of a rhombus. So the simplest one I am going to use. Area of a rhombus is 60 centimeter square if one diagonal is 10. Since diagonal is given, so we can use this formula. Half into product of the diagonals. Half into one diagonal into other diagonal. That means half into product of the diagonals. It gives the area of a rhombus, and it is given 60 centimeter square. Area of a rhombus is half into one diagonal into other diagonal. Eta rhombusor kali 60 centimeter square aru edal corner dik 10 centimeter. To andal corner kiman andal corner length 2 level again. Suppose the other diagonal, if I assume as x, so half into 10 centimeter into x centimeter equals 60. So on cross multiplication, 10x equal 2 into 60, that is 120. So x equal 120 by 10, that is 12 centimeter. Eta rhombusor edal corner dik jodi 10 centimeter hoy aru tar kali jodi 60 centimeter 60 বর্গ সেন্টিমিটার হয় তেতিয়া হলে তার আন্দাল corner dik hobo 12 centimeter. That is the right answer. So you have to know the formula. Half into one diagonal into other diagonal equal area of a rhombus. Okay, fine. I'll go to the next question. This is also an important question. Sometimes we have to compare two geometrical figures. It is given the area of a triangle and one of its sides are, okay, this is not for two geometrical figures. Sorry. First I thought triangle and other figure is given. No. The area of a triangle and one of its sides. Simple question. The area of a triangle and one of its sides are 48 centimeter square and 8 centimeter respectively. Eta tribhujor eta bahu aru kali dia ase. Eta bahu dia ase 8 centimeter aru yar kali dia ase 48 বর্গ সেন্টিমিটার 48 centimeter square. Then ইয়ার হে বাহুটোলৈ যোনটো বাহু দিয়া আছে হে বাহুটোলৈ corresponding height তালৈ উচ্চতা কিমান হ'ব? So very simple question. Half just a minute. Half into base into height. This is the formula for area of a triangle, and the area is given 48 centimeter square. Half into base into height equal 48 centimeter square. Now, one of its sides and corresponding height. We can take that side as base. So what is that? Half into 8 into height equal 48. Now on cross multiplication we will get 8 is left hand side, 2 and 48, 2 into 48, 96. And what is the height? 96 by 8 equal 12 centimeter. Eta tribuzar kali jodi 48 বর্গ সেন্টিমিটার আৰু এটা বাহু যদি 8 সেন্টিমিটার হয় তেতিয়া হলে এই বাহুটোলৈ উচ্চতা হ'ব 12 centimeter. This is the right answer. Next question. Simple one. Very simple. The perimeter of a circle of diameter 10 centimeter when pi is 3.14. Just before few questions I mentioned that when pi is given always use that 3.14. Otherwise we have to use pi equal 22 by 7. The perimeter of a circle of diameter 10 centimeter. Diameter is given 10 centimeter. So what is radius? Radius is 5 centimeter, half of that. And what is the perimeter? What is the formula for perimeter of a circle? Perimeter of a circle formula is perimeter. Perimeter of a circle formula is 2 pi r. So 2 into 3.14 into 5. So 2 into 5, 10, 3.14 into 10, and 31.4. 31.4. This is the perimeter of the circle. Option C gives the right answer. Okay. In our channel, just we have begun maths, Assamese, social science. This way we will discuss science also, English also, and then other elective subjects also. So we have been trying for the students so that they can do well. They can find their concepts. Though I have been discussing this MCQ first, this is a chapter revision. The before class 9 students got this type of topics, this type of concepts in the previous classes, and then for the new concepts we will come with entire topics. We will discuss any question. If you have any confusion about any topic, so you can send the comments to our channel. And if you have learned something till now, if you have learned something from our channel NJP coaching, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel NJP coaching. And not to miss the notification of this type of videos, press the bell icon also. Okay. Now come to the point, come to this question. The area of a circular plate is 38.5 centimeter square. The diameter of the plate is. The area of the plate is 38.5 centimeter square. So what is the area of a circular figure? What is the area? Circular plate. The formula for area of a circle, pi r square, 38.5, 38.5 given in centimeter square. pi r square equal 38.5 centimeter square, and we have to find the diameter. Simple one. We will get, using this formula, we will get radius, and double of this will be the diameter. So 22 by 7 into r square equal 38.5. এখন বৃত্তাকাৰ প্লেটৰ কালি 38.5 বর্গ সেন্টিমিটার আমি ইয়াৰ ডায়ামিটার বা ব্যাস উলিয়াব লাগে, ব্যাসাৰ্ধৰ দুগুণ, আৰু ফৰ্মুলাটো হ'ব pi r square equal 38.5. So if we put the value of pi and if we multiply cross, r square equal 38.5 into 7 by 22. And quickly cancel this. By 11 you can cancel these two numbers. 11 3s are 33. Then 11 5s are 55. 11 2. So 3.5 into 7 by 2. This implies r square equal 3.5 into 7 by 2. Sorry. 3.5 by 7. 3.5 into 7 by 2. And now if I remove decimal, 35 into 7 by 20. One decimal. So we have to multiply denominator by 20. Now again, if I cancel 5 7 5 4, that is 7 square by 2 square. 7 into 7 square, and denominator is 4 2 square. R square equal 7 square by 2 square. R square equal, that means 7 by 2 whole square. So what is R? 7 by 2. 7 by 2. It is given in centimeter. So what is diameter? Twice of 7 by 2. And on cancellation, it will be 7 centimeter. So this way we have to calculate. We have to calculate in this way. The basic formula is pi r square, and on calculation we will find that diameter of the circular plate is 7 centimeter. Okay, fine. Next. Yeah. Same as this is the same question regarding circle. One question I have done, that perimeter is given and we have to find the area. Now area is given, we have to find the perimeter of a circle. Pi r square, which is the area formula of a circle, and it is given 616 centimeter square. What is the perimeter? এখন বৃত্তাকার ঢাল তার কালি দিয়া আছে 616 সেন্টিমিটার স্কয়ার বর্গ সেন্টিমিটার, আর ইয়ার পরিসীমা কিমান? So directly pi r square, this is the area of a circle, 616. So 22 by 7 into r square equals 616. So what is r square? 616 into 7 by 22. We have to divide 616 by 22 by 7, and then it will reverse 7 by 22. So if we cancel by 11 2s are 22, 11 5s are 55, then 66, 11 6. Again if we cancel by 2 2s are 4, and 2 is 28. So r square equal 28 into 7. 28 means 4 into 7 into 7. Now we can find 2 square into 7 square. 2 square into 7 square. If r square equal 2 square into 7 square, then what is r? then r equal 2 into 7. Instead of multiply and to find square root, just I have expressed as powers, which we usually do prime factorization. On prime factorization, 28 into 7, actually it is 2 into 2 into 7 into 7, 2 square into 7 square. So r will become 2 into 7, 14. R equal 14 centimeter. So what is perimeter? Perimeter will be 2 pi r. Since it is a circle, 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 centimeter. And this will become 88 centimeter. This will become 88 centimeter. Okay. So right option is C. এখন বৃত্তাকার থালৰ কালি 616 সেন্টিমিটার স্কয়ার হলে ইয়ার পরিসীমা হবো 88 সেন্টিমিটার. Next question. The area of courtyard of length 30 meter is 600 meter square. The perimeter of the courtyard is a rectangle. Courtyard বা চোতাল অসমীয়াত যাক কোৱা হয়. এখন চোতালৰ দৈৰ্ঘ্য 30 মিটাৰ আৰু যাৰ কালি 600 মিটাৰ স্কয়াৰ. The perimeter of the বা পৰিসীমা চোতালখনৰ পৰিসীমা কি? So since the courtyard it is a rectangular shape, so what is its area? Length into breadth. Again, okay, leave it. This part I will do. Length into breadth equal area, and area is given 600 meter square. Length into breadth equal area, it is 600 meter square, and length is given 30 into b, 600. So what is b? 600 by 30, 600 by 30, and it will become 20 meter. 20 meter. What is the perimeter of the courtyard? Perimeter of a rectangle eta আয়ত ক্ষেত্ৰৰ পৰিসীমা হ'ব 2l plus b. 2l plus b, this is the formula. So 2 into 30 plus 20. 30 plus 20 equal 50. On multiplication with 2, then it will be 100 meter. Perimeter of the rectangular courtyard is 100 meter. Okay. Okay. This question is a combination of two shapes. Actually, not combination. We have to know. We have to equalize. We have to equalize the area or perimeter, whatever it is given in the question. We have to equalize the two formulae of two geometrical figures. The area of a rectangle of breadth 3 centimeter. One shape is given a rectangle, and one is given square. Area of a rectangle, eta ayator porihima, ayator kali, jar prostho 3 centimeter. That is equal to the area of a square of side 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter bahur eta borgo khetor saman. That means it is given area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle area of the rectangle is equal area of the square. Area of the square. Area of the square. Okay. What is area of a rectangle? The formula is length into breadth. And what is area of a square? This is side square. I am taking a square. And according to this data, breadth of the rectangle is given 3 centimeters. So L into 3. And side of the square is given 9. So 9 square. So what is L? 9 square 81 by 3, 27. So length of the rectangle is 27 centimeter. Now, what is the perimeter of the rectangle? Rectangle, again perimeter formula is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into length we have got 27 and breadth we have got, breadth it was given 3 centimeter. So 2 into 27 plus 3, 30, 2 into 30, 60 centimeter. So right answer is B, 60 centimeter. Okay. এটা আয়তৰ যাৰ প্ৰস্থ 3 সেন্টিমিটাৰ আৰু তাৰ কালি এটা স্কয়াৰৰ কালি সমান এটা বৰ্গৰ কালি সমান আৰু বৰ্গটোৰ সাইড দিয়া আছিল 9 সেন্টিমিটাৰ আৰু আয়তক্ষেত্ৰটোৰ পৰিসীমা উলিয়াব লাগে প্ৰথমে আয়তক্ষেত্ৰটোৰ লেংথ উলিয়াব লাগিব লেংথ উলিয়াই পেৰিমিটাৰ ফৰ্মুলাত লিখিলে ইয়াৰ উত্তৰটো হ'ব 60 সেন্টিমিটাৰ okay. So this was the last question of today. Almost 20 questions I have discussed. These are some important questions and which is very important for exam, unit test, half yearly and annual exam. So we are going to finish the today's math session for class 9. Thus, I want to mention, if you have learned something from this video, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel NJP Coaching. Also, not to miss the notification of this type of videos, press bell icon. Okay, see you friends. Keep learning. Thank you.